Hello and welcome. Let's talk about 5 tips that you can use to edit faster in Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. The first tip to edit faster in Premiere Pro is to go to Finder, Applications, Premiere Pro, and open Premiere Pro. Opening Premiere Pro will be key to editing faster in Premiere Pro. For tip number 2 of editing faster in Premiere Pro, you're going to want to open up Media Browser, and then you're going to want to go to any footage files that you have, and you're going to want to import footage into Premiere Pro. Tip number 3 of editing faster in Premiere Pro is you're going to want to go up to your workspaces and you're going to want to open up all of the panels that you can possibly open up. Tip number 4 for these tips for Premiere Pro is to not listen to anybody that says anything about Premiere Pro on YouTube. They're all wrong and you can't trust anything that they have to say. They will lead you astray and you need to figure out your own workflow for whatever project that you're working on. Tip number 5 is to make sure that once you're done editing, you export your project to your desktop and make sure that you export all of your projects to the desktop and leave them there and never organize anything. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching these tips to edit faster in Premiere Pro. I think they'll be really useful for you going forwards in the future with all of your editing projects that you have coming up. Take care. Bye.